some of the most trending hairstyle over 60 in 2023.
The short bob is a classic and timeless hairstyle that is perfect for women of all ages. It is low maintenance and can be styled in a variety of ways, from sleek and polished to edgy and tousled. Pixie cut. The pixie cut is another short hairstyle that is popular with women over 60. It is a very versatile style that can be dressed up or down and is perfect for women with thin or fine hair. The lob. The lob is a longer hairstyle that falls just below the chin. It is a great option for women who want to add some length and volume to their hair. The layered haircut. The layered haircut is a great way to add texture and interest to any hairstyle. It is especially flattering for women with curly or wavy hair. The shag. The shag is a retro hairstyle that is making a comeback in 2023. It is a great option for women with thick or unruly hair. No matter what your age, there's an over 60 hairstyle that is perfect for you. Experiment with different styles until you find one that you love and that makes you feel confident. Here are some additional tips for choosing a hairstyle over 60. Number 1. Consider your face shape. Some hairstyles will flatter your face shape more than others. Number 2. Think about your lifestyle. If you are active and on the go, you will want to choose a hairstyle that is low maintenance. Number 3. Don't be afraid to try something new. Just because you are over 60 doesn't mean you can't have fun with your hair. If you think this video informative and helpful, comment below which style you like. The short bob, pixie cut, the lob, the layered haircut, or the shag. If you want to recommend this video to anyone, please share it to that person and please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks!